stay beautiful, stay awesome, and stay what? You. What's good, Fox Nation? Welcome back to another mukbang. Today I'm eating neck bone, rice, cabbage, potatoes, and cornbread. Yes, y'all. This is what I'm eating. This is the neck bone. This is the rice and potatoes. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for food. I see these in her. Amen. Happy Labor Day. Cornbread is always good. If you never had neck bones, man, you missing out. Neck bones, Neck bone, rice, and cabbage. Potato with it. Just do it like that. Look at these potatoes. Y'all, I'm gonna say this. If you are a parent, and if you are bashing the other parent in front of the child, it's wrong. It is. These days, that's why these kids so ungrateful. But ain't no way a child should get on the internet and cuss out their daddy. I don't care what your daddy did to you. I don't care how mad he made you. You don't get on the internet and cuss him out. Nah. If you need to talk to your dad in private. And I don't think it's right for a father to cuss out their child either. It's wrong for the mother to do it too. See, y'all growing up, my parents raised me to be respectful. Yeah, they didn't raise me to be disobedient. They raised me to be respectful to authorities. Some of these kids these days don't have no respect for their own mama or their own daddy. That's right. That's the sad part about it. So, neck bone have bones in it. You have to see. There's a lot of meat in it, but still has a. This meat, I gotta eat that later because it's giving me a fit. Yeah, later. Okay. I'm gonna eat the rice and cabbage and the cornbread and potatoes. So, you know. It's hot too. Mm-hmm. This is actually one of my favorite meals to eat. And no, I did not make this. My cousin made it. I don't know how to make no neck bones, so I don't know how to make that. You see, you have to show an example for your children. If your children see you cussing out their daddy, then ain't no way a child gonna get on the internet and cuss out their own daddy, and the mama allows it. That's wrong though. Y'all, this is neck bone. Man, the cabbage, the rice, cornbread, and the potatoes, neck bone, it was good. Now my cousin can throw down in the kitchen. She can throw down in the kitchen. If you don't have a family member that can cook, baby, you missing out. My cousin can throw down in the kitchen. Look at this. A lot of people always ask me, China, how you get your hair to look like a wig? I'm gonna tell y'all how I get my hair. How I get my hair to look like a wig. I'm gonna tell y'all how I get to look like that. I go to the hair salon once a month. I get a relaxer 1 month. Then the following month, I get a wash and set. So you have to go to the hair salon. You can go every 2 weeks if you want to. I go once a month. Yeah, I go once a month, and I rotate. I get a wash and set, or I get a relaxer. And it depends on who the hairstylist you go to. My hairstylist, I've been going to her since my high school days. So she was doing my hair for a long time. A family friend recommended her to me. That's how I found out about her. So yeah, you can't let everybody play in your hair, because everybody can't. I don't let everybody play in my hair. I'm very particular who play. I don't care you in the hair school. You're not gonna be playing in my hair. I don't care. You say, oh, I do good work. I don't want to hear none of that. You're not gonna play in my hair. No, not gonna play in my hair. Oh, another thing, hair oil. Go to kaleidoscope.com or go to Target or go to Walmart and get Kaleidoscope pecan pie booster oil. Grow booster oil. And let me tell y'all, it will grow your hair. My hair been growing like crazy since I've been using that. It will grow your hair. You will see good results. Go to kaleidoscope.com or with Target or Walmart. They have Kaleidoscope products. Go and get you some. Period. Yeah. So I saw this video of this mother, and she posted a video of her daughter's hair, right? Whoever did her daughter's hair didn't know what they was doing, because baby, I was like, that's how I said. That's how I always say. Ain't nobody playing in my hair. I don't care you went to hair school. You're not gonna play in my hair. You're not gonna do no demonstration on my. No. I'm going to the same hairstylist, and I'm gonna keep going to the same hairstylist. That's on period. Okay, if you do hair at your house, if you do braids at your house, that's fine, that's cool. But if you do a relaxer and stuff at your house, no. No. You gotta be in a hair salon, baby. I can see you doing braids at your house. Yeah, doing braids, doing hair, doing braids and stuff, and quick weaves. If you do relaxer at your house and you do like straighten people's hair with a flat iron, nah, baby. You gotta be in a hair salon. That's just my opinion. That's just my opinion, because I ain't gonna go to nobody's house that's doing hair out of their house. If it braids, that's different. But like actually doing, like washing the hair, nah, that's no. Thank y'all for watching this little mukbang. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We almost at 10K subscribers. Comment down below what should my next YouTube video be about. Be a blessing. I hear. Happy Labor Day. Stay safe out there. No matter what you do, a hater always gonna be mad at you. A hater always gonna be mad because you're getting your money. And hey, you know what you gotta do? Just two-step on your haters. We just gonna two-step on our haters. I love y'all. I will see y'all next YouTube video. Bye.